Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This week we are going to do a slightly more advanced exercise for those of you who have been working on the pelvic floor exercises a little bit longer and need a little bit more of a challenge. I have a new exercise for you. So in my previous playlist for pelvic floor strength, I have had the bird dog video, which is the opposite arm and leg extension. So we are going to add on to that a little crunch, which is going to help with even more strength and integrity in the core. So to start, let's get on all fours. Okay, so we're starting on all fours. And we're going to take a deep breath in. And on our breath out, we're going to contract our transverse abdominis muscle, and we're going to lift our opposite arm and leg for a bird dog. And then from here, we're going to connect our elbow to our knee for a little crunch. So we're continuing to contract that transverse abdominis, then we're going to straighten out again, and then we're going to put them on the floor. That is a half a repetition, okay? So let's do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to reach out. We're going to first take our big breath and contract our transverse abdominis muscle on the exhale. Reach out our opposite arm and leg. And we're going to connect our elbow and our knee in that crunch. Straight out again and back down to all fours. So pretty straightforward. Just a little bit of extra effort from the initial bird dog exercise. So let's do 10 repetitions, so 10 sets, just to help us build some strength, and then we'll go from there. So on our hands and knees, and let's just get going. So breath in and contract, lift, crunch, lift, and down. And let's do that again on the other side. Lift, crunch, lift, and down. Let's just keep doing that. Lift, crunch, lift, down, lift, crunch, lift, and down. That's 2. Lift, crunch, lift, and down. Lift, crunch, lift, and down. That's 3. Lift, crunch, lift, and down. Don't forget to breathe. Lift, crunch, lift, and down. That's 4. Lift, crunch, lift, down, lift, crunch, lift, and down. If any time this gets too hard, you can go back to a regular bird dog. That was 5 repetitions. We got 5 more. Lift, crunch, lift, down, lift, crunch, lift, down. 6, lift, crunch, lift, down, lift, crunch, lift, down, lift, crunch, lift, down. 7, lift, crunch, lift, down, lift, crunch, lift, and down. I think I might be ahead of myself. Let's just do one more and we'll call it 8. Lift, crunch, lift, and down. That's 8. I'm just getting myself repositioned here, so I've got good form. Lift, crunch, lift, and down, lift, crunch, lift, and down. That's 9. Let's do one more. Lift, crunch, lift, and down, lift, crunch, lift, and down. Wow. So that is the advanced version of the bird dog. So don't hesitate to do 10 of those whenever you find that you've got a few minutes to strengthen your core. We're just now at this point in our videos building more and more integrity in the pelvic floor and giving ourselves just some different ways to use our pelvic floor muscles to strengthen them, to strengthen our core, and to not get bored so we can have a lifetime of healthy pelvic floors. So I hope you enjoyed this video and will give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so that you know every time I post new videos. You can ring that bell to get a notification. And I'll see you guys next week. Have a great day.